Welcome to Not So Easy Acres. This is not your typical video that you have seen from me, but it's one of them things you just got to do. That's not just your average everyday little leak. This little handle right here is doing some kind of dang leaking, and I can't understand it. We didn't go to the big box store. We didn't cheap out. We went to a high-end retailer and asked for the best valve they had because we didn't want to have problems. And guess what? We got problems. So let me get my tools up. We'll dive right in. Let's get this thing fixed. We can start out going under the back of the house. I'm pretty sure when I plumbed this thing, I put some valves under the shower. I is pretty sure. That's the shower. Did I not put valves under the shower? I thought I put freaking valves on the damn thing. Well, I guess not. All right. So we'll just go right here. I turn off all the dang water. Now all the water's off. Y'all don't look at my mess. This is my storage room. That's all my antique doors for the remodel. Back in the house we go. All right, just relieve a little pressure. All right. Let's get started. Like I said, we didn't go cheap. We didn't try to skimp out. We didn't go to the big box store and, get whatever was on sale. We went to a high-end store and bought a high-end part. Come here, screwdriver. There you go. All right. Because it's leaking through the valve, it ain't leaking through here. I'm figuring that these seals here are good. That the problem is, I don't know if that's any problem or not, but see how it's separated right there? I bet you that ain't good for it. Anyway, all right. To the parts house. Get us some parts. All right, chick. Let's go in here in the big box and see if we can find the piece we're looking for. Second time today. Is that it? You think that's it?
The end's a little bit different.
That's this piece right here is where the government tells you ain't smart enough to know how hot to make your shower. I got that thing out of my shower. I don't shower with the government. My wife wants to get on to me about half the time.
Are you smart enough to know when the water's too hot?
Well, I just got me a new microphone toy to play with his YouTube stuff, and anyway, when I got back from Big Box, I had forgot to turn it on. Anyway, what is that little white piece I'm pointing at there? That's the government telling you you can't have a hot shower. So I'm just popping the cap off the new valve there and gonna get them out of my business. Anyway, I'm smart enough to know how hot to make a shower. So anyway, I'm just putting that little cap back on and fumbling a little bit. Not wanting to do it wrong. Because I didn't just give that valve away. Anyway, anybody can do this stuff. It's just a matter of do you have enough gumption to try it. You know. Just line the, it's got each left and right's got a little set of notches. It lines up with a set of notches on the valve. And you sort of line it up carefully and with a little pressure and push it in. Put a little end piece back on, not the government. Got a little collar to screw it on to keep the valve in the body. Just don't do it. Don't over tighten it. Just snug it up good. Just trust the little rubber washers to do their job. That does not get it. Decorator collar. Slip it over it so it'll look pretty. The little handle. That is, it's got a little Allen head screw in there. And it pushes against the flat on the little flat spot on the valve handle. You know. It don't take much, just snug it up good. Don't overdo it. It's little and it's easy to strip. I think I just said to go outside and get the water turned back on. Be right back. Back around here to the back. Hear the hissing. It's filling up something. Leave it turned on just a little bit for a minute before I just full blast it. Where's all that dang water going? Okay, alright. Back in the house. Let's try the water. See if it flows. Looks like it flows good. Let the hot water get there. Make sure the hot works. I think it's doing good. Uh-oh. I think somewhere along in here, the chick, she comes in and makes sure it's high scald so she can take her hot shower. There she is. Oh, it seems to be honey approved, so looks like we might be mated on this job. I don't know what pearls of wisdom I'm laying on y'all, but it's got to be good. But thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, be kind in your comments.